So today guys we are going to make the new Astral Spriggan. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So guys, first we'll make the blade of Astral Spriggan. So to make the blade of Astral Spriggan, we need almost 7 cardboard pieces like this, and we have to stick them all. First we have to stick these 3 cardboard pieces here like this. So guys, after sticking it will look like this. So the next step is that we have to stick this piece also here. So guys, I have stick this piece also. So the last step is that we have to stick these 3 pieces also to the main piece. So guys, after sticking all the pieces it will look like this. So the next step is that first hear this sound. It is not like it is not as strong as a bay is. So the next step is that we have to glue some amount of Fevikwik here. So I'm doing this. Please repeat after me as I am doing. So I'm opening this, and we have to take and rub Fevikwik here so that it will be strong. So guys, after adding Fevikwik here, and here also I have added Fevikwik and thin cardboard pieces so that it will look nice enough. So guys, now you can hear the voice. It is like very strong. It is like very much strong. So let's add this also to the main cardboard piece. So guys, after giving the finishing touch sideways, it will look like this. So our blade is now ready. So let's make the another parts of this layer. So guys, first we'll make the core of the bay. So to make core of the bay, we need almost 6 cardboard pieces like this, in which these 3 are almost like this, and these 3 are like the chip of Spriggan. So let's stick these three pieces with this, and these 3 pieces with this. So guys, after sticking these 2 pieces like this, we have to stick with the painted photo of this chip like this. So guys, after doing this, we have to keep this aside, and we have to make the armor of Spriggan. So to make this armor, we have a photo of the armor, and these 3 pieces like the outcuts of this photo. So like this we have to stick these 3 pieces also, and stick this with the photo of this armor. So guys, after sticking these 3 pieces with the photo of this armor, it will look like this. So the next step is that we have to uh, glue this with super glue all around so that it will be very strong, and then we have to add this long strip of cardboard here. So let's do this. So guys, after doing this it will look like this. So the next step is that we have to stick this piece here like this. So guys, after sticking, our core is now ready. So the next step is that we have to add some detailing to this edges with this sandpaper. So So guys, after adding the details and coloring it, it will look like this. So guys, now our layer is fully ready. So let's make the disc of the blade. So guys, to make the disc of the blade, we'll need almost 6 cardboard pieces like this and 2 bottle cap pieces, which I have cut like this and shaped it. So guys, first step is that we have to stick these 3 pieces. So guys, after sticking it will look like this. So the next step is that we have to stick these 3 pieces, small circular pieces like this. Or remember guys, I have cut this piece like this, so it will be in front like this. So let's stick this. So guys, after sticking these 3 pieces also, it will look like this. So the next step is that we have to stick this small piece to the big piece like this. So guys, after sticking it will look like this. So the next step is that we have to stick these 2 pieces here where I have made this cut. So it will be like this. So guys, after sticking these 2 plastic pieces, it will look like this. So guys, now our disc is fully ready. If you want, then if you can color this also. So guys, next we'll make the driver of the spray gun. So let's make this. So guys, to make the driver of Astral spray gun, we need almost 4 pieces like this. And the first piece is this cap, bottle cap, which I have cut it into half, and acceleration tip, and this metal piece like to add weight to the driver, and these 2 cardboard pieces which I have making a small hole here. So the first step is that we have to stick this acceleration tip in the center of the bottle cap. So guys, after sticking this acceleration tip, it will look like this. So the next step is that we have to take this cardboard piece and heavy metal like this, and burst function system down a part. So guys, if you don't know how to make this burst function system, watch this video after watching this. So guys, first we have to do it like this, and then we have to stick this in the center like this. So guys, after sticking this, it will look like this. So we have to stick the another part of burst function system here also like this. So let's stick this. So guys, after sticking, it will look like this. So the last step is that we have to do like this and attach and paste some extra amount of glue here, so that it will be very heavy. Then our blade will spin for very long time. that's it for today, guys. And also comment down below which is your favorite mode, left spin or right spin mode. Personally, I like this left spin mode because it remind me of Spriggan Requiem. So guys, thanks for watching this video, and if you like this video, please make sure that you like, subscribe and comment.